Hey guys, it is another week of what's for dinner, and tonight is Sunday, and I was going to eat some leftover sausage rigatoni, but I really didn't want to. So my boyfriend made me some eggs. So we have some scrambled eggs with everything but the bagel seasoning on, some bacon, and some avocado, half of an avocado that needed to be eaten. And then I have some coffee. So this is hopefully going to hold me over all night while I am working from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. And this is what we're going to have. Absolutely love breakfast for breakfast, lunch, dinner, whenever. And I will see you guys tomorrow. It is Monday and we are having cheesy hash brown casserole. This is a new recipe that I printed out on the Food Network, and it is the Pioneer Woman's recipe. It's super easy. We just didn't do the whole recipe. We cut it in half because it would have been a lot. It still is a lot, but it's mostly just hash browns, green chili, onion, jalapeno, and then we topped it with some Monterey Jack cheese inside, and then some shredded cheddar cheese on the top. Also, I did a dollop of sour cream with some parsley on the side just for it added flavor and creaminess. And then I am going to try this Pepsi Mango. I actually already tried it, but it's actually okay. It's not my favorite. I probably wouldn't buy another case of it, but I'm going to drink it. But yeah, it's all right. So this is our dinner for Monday, and we will see you guys Tuesday. It is Tuesday, and we are having Japanese chicken wings. This is a new recipe that I got from allrecipe.com. It looks really good. It has a sauce of soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and it looks really good. We fried it a little bit and then baked it in the oven. Then we wanted some roasted zucchini, and we had some Brussels sprouts left over that needs to be eaten too. So that is what we're having. It looks really good, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Alright, so it is Wednesday, and we are having breakfast because I came home really late. We have some scrambled eggs, some pork sausages, and some bacon with a little bit of syrup because I like to dip those into my sausage. I made some chocolate milk because I was craving that. And then we have a really good looking peach that I'm going to eat also. So this is for dinner. Very, very easy and the best dinner ever. So I will see you guys on Thursday. It is Thursday, and we did something different. We were supposed to have leftovers, but I was really craving a sandwich. So my boyfriend bought a sub sandwich from the deli. I think it's turkey and ham with some cheese and spinach. I added the spinach and then added some mayo and mustard and extra shredded cheese. And then we have some jalapeno ruffled chips that he picked up also. So we're going to enjoy these and hopefully not get called in tonight for work, but gonna hurry up, eat this, and we will see you guys Friday. Alright, it is Friday and we are having bunless burgers. We have jalapeno burgers that Jared grilled up. Then I have a fried egg, bacon, cheese, and some spinach. And then on the side, I had some mayo and mustard. Don't have ketchup because I ran out of ketchup. So this is for dinner on Friday, and we will see you guys on Saturday.
Dobbins was able to just kind of get skinny right beside him and get through there. There his right knee is down, clearly short of the goal line. It was an excellent run. Just gonna